Good morning, student. This is class 11th math, and today's thought is function is the heart of mathematics. Because in the math there is a lot of function like the exponential function, logarithm function, and trigonometric function. So you can say that function is the heart of mathematics. Now today's date is 17th of June 2021. This is revision of exercise 3.3 from NCERT. It is a question is that it is proved that cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x is equal to minus 2 sin x. Means you have to prove that cos 3x 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x it is equal to minus root 2 sin x. So LHS of the equation, this is cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x. Now the student, it is in the form of cos c minus cos d or cos x minus cos y. So using the formula cos x minus cos y, this is equal to minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 sin x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. Now using this formula you will get cos, this is cos x minus cos y, it can be written as minus 2 sin x plus y by 2. At the place of x, this is 3 pi by 4 plus x plus 3 pi by 4 minus x upon 2 into sin x minus y by 2 means this is 3 pi by 4 plus x minus 3 pi by 4 minus minus plus x upon 2. You know that x are cancel each other. This is minus 2 sin, it is 6 pi by 4 means this is 6 pi by 4. So it is equal to 3 pi by 2 upon 2. Here 3 pi by 4 are cancel each other. This is sin 2x upon 2. Now this one is equal to minus 2 sin. This is 3 pi by 4. Minus 2 sin 3 pi by 4. 2 cancel. It is equal to sin x. Now this can be written as, it is minus 2 sin, this can be written as pi minus pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 can be written as pi minus pi by 4 into sin x. Here you know that it is in the form of sin 180 minus theta. Since you know that 180 minus theta comes in second quadrant. In the second quadrant, the value of sine and cosec are taken as positive. And rest trigonometric ratios are taken as negative. So So, and you also know that 180 minus theta gives the same trigonometric value, means sine remains in sine, cos remains in cos, tan remains in tan. So here it is, this value goes in sine, but it is second quadrant, so the value of is as positive sign, so it is minus 2 sine pi by 4 into sine x. Here LHS is equal to minus 2 sine pi by 4, means the value of sine pi by 4 is equal to sine 45, and it is equal to 1 upon root 2 into sine x. You know that 2 can be splitted at root 2 into root 2. 1 root is cancelled out. So LHS is equal to minus root 2 sine x. LHS is equal to minus root 2 sine x, which we need to prove that, hence it is equal to RHS, hence this is proved. Thank you.